Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Calm Your Wits, India's apparently largest amateur quizzing platform. Today we are quizzing with four new participants. This will be our third episode of on YouTube. So if you are watching, please like, share, subscribe. After this Tanmay Bhatt kind of introduction, now I'll introduce all our participants. Our first participant is Mansi. Hi Mansi, where are you from? You are on mute. So that KBC wave just lost its charm.
Hi, I'm from Bombay.
Every day we have at least one person from Bombay.
I guess we like Bombay a
Next
lot.
we have Neha. Neha, hi. Where are you from?
I'm spiritually from Bombay, but geographically in Trivandrum right now.
I would prefer to randomly Bombay. So 1 point to Neha.
What?
Well, I'll take it, but okay,
Neha,
I do not agree.
You're already
ये
winning.
क्या होता है?
What more do you want?
Next we
Where
have
do I have
Swati.
to be
Swati,
from
where are
to
you
get a
joining
point?
us?
I am joining you guys from Manipal, but I'm actually from Calcutta. So,
Woohoo.
Manipal is Udupi, right?
yes,
Yes.
Udupi, Karnataka,
district,
Manipal
Karnataka.
Academy of Higher Education. और कुछ बताना है तो बोलो मैं और introduction देती हूँ.
KMC.
I am a fan of dosas, so I'll give 1 point to Swati.
Mansi, कुछ करो यार.
I
Yeah,
know.
कुछ कर ले, Mansi.
What do I do? What are you fans? What are you a
Next,
fan of?
Mansi, just talk of anything.
And
Okay, I'm gonna-
lastly, we have Vinay. Hi, Vinay. Where are you joining us?
Hi. So I'm connecting from Bombay, where my heart is, and I'm currently in Pune and properly from Udaipur. So
Okay, great.
I swear if you give him a point now.
No, there's nothing about Udaipur
That's
that
why I'm
I'm
looking
fond
forward.
about. So today's sequence will be the same. We will start off with Mansi, followed by Neha, Swati, and Vinay. After halfway, we'll reverse the order as Vinay, Swati, Neha, and Mansi. Please keep your cameras on at all times. Do not Google and have fun.
Of course,
Try,
that's why we
Quizmaster,
are
we
here.
shall try.
So we start off with Mansi, and the first
Yeah.
question for Mansi is: post-independence, it was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru who pioneered establishing the X to provide trained technical personnel of international class to the nation who would act as leaders in technology for the newly born independent India. Nehru, being an enthusiast and patron of science, was clear that science and technology had a prominent role to play in modernizing India and meeting the needs of its growing population. He envisioned that this system would, over time, provide scientists and technologists of highest caliber who would engage in research, design, and development to help building the nation towards self-reliance in her technological needs. Identify X. What exactly are we talking about?
I'm gonna venture a guess. Is it the establishment of the IITs?
Brilliant answer. It is the establishment of the IIT starting from Kharagpur. The IITs was set up by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru so that we can have quality technical education like based on the lines of MIT. With that, Mansi starts off, and the next direct goes to Neha. Taking about 7 to 10 years, the word is missing there, years to bloom and perishing within a few days, Amorphophallus titanium is a rare plant with only 1,000 remaining worldwide. Known for its hideous smell, which is often described as filthy and even quoted as equivalent to 1,000 pukes or similar to a rotten corpse, that's why popularly known as blank flower. This plant has recently shown blossoms in California, and that's why it's attracting crowds, and the media is taking up a coverage of it. Fill in the blank. What exactly is it also known as? What is Amorphophallus titanium also known as?
The rotten smelling flower I know is a giant flower called Rafflesia. I don't know what it's popularly known as, if that is what it is.
So your final answer would be
Rafflesia, I guess. No other guess I can have.
not Rafflesia. Going to Swati.
Amorphophallus. Death? I mean, I don't know. Death flower, dying flower. Death flower? Is there something called death flower? I don't even know.
No, not the dead flower. Going to Vinay.
Is it lily?
Lilies don't smell bad, and obviously no. So Lily is not the right answer. Going to Mansi.
I just wanted to ask the number of dashes is the number of letters in the word.
No, it will never be that because I randomly put up the blank.
Oh, okay, okay. Skunk.
Not the skunk. We'll go another round with starting with Neha. Now the hint. The adjectives that are given there in the question have a lot of relevance with our answer. So look at the adjectives that have been mentioned and then try to build up on that.
What is the first letter? Can you tell me?
Yeah,
Since this is second round.
if it would have been hangman.
Okay, then. Equivalent to 1,000 yolks are similar to rotten cow.
We had the Hangman episode yesterday. Why not one today?
I know. Because that wasn't recorded. Rotten corpse.
Why are you so mean, Quizmaster?
Is it to do with the rotten corpse? Popularly known as. What else do you call a rotten corpse?
We have one doctor here.
दिमाग नहीं काम कर रहा. Kindly do not look at me for anything.
No, sorry, pass. Not happening. It's just
We're going to
blanking.
Swati.
He said, last time I went with death. Can I go with vomit this time now?
It could be morbid flower. I'm just giving you a.
No, not vomit flower.
Is it morbid? Is it vomit? Either of those?
Neither of them. So we've eliminated morbid as
My
well.
God.
Vinay.
So just a wild guess, like maybe 1,000 and something to do with. Is it Titan?
Not Titan. Mansi.
Like Titan corpse.
I'm gonna go with lusty penis or cadaver.
I had that in my head.
It's like amount
Because
Cadaver.
Amorphophallus, correct. I had that in my
Cadaver?
head, but then
Okay,
Or
so
lusty
neither
penis.
of the. So which one would be your final answer?
I don't know, lusty penis.
Okay, so what? Nobody gets this.
Alice.
So the right
Direct
answer
सारे बकवास.
is corpse flower.
Are you serious?
then it
I
was
was about
there.
to say.
It was in my.
God.
I was about to say it.
So
Damn it.
Just not done. Flower.
now we move on to the next question, which is Swati's direct.
Thank you.
Now, X was born in Cliftondale section of Saugus, Massachusetts, the son of Annie Dalton, née Moulton, and Frederick William. He was educated at Harvard University, graduating Phi Beta Kappa, and receiving his BA in 1915, an LLB in 1918, and a PhD in psychology in 1921. He took up psychology, and with his wife, Elizabeth Holloway, invented an early prototype of the lie detector. He was also known as a self-help author and comic book writer who created the character Wonder Woman. So I identify X.
Man, this is bad. I'll just go with the worst possible answer, which is not the answer. Fruit. Is it fruit? Of course, it's not fruit.
It's not because it's Freud, first of all. And
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. I am
not
really
the right
sorry,
answer.
sir.
Not the right answer. Going to Vinay.
Being a Nazi right here.
Pass. No idea.
Okay, Mansi.
No, I'm gonna pass.
Okay, Neha.
Um, is it William Moulton?
I'll give it to you. It's William Moulton Marston,
Oh,
who is the right answer. So yeah, I will give it to you. Neha gets 10
Yes.
points for William Moulton Marston. He was a psychologist, made the first prototype for the polygraph or the lie detector, and then just couldn't decide on a career. So he also helped with Wonder Woman. This next question is again Swati's direct. Now I want you to explain this particular list. There are certain, there's something that has the height in meters and the height in feet, and you have to tell me what exactly is this.
is is this
Is
an
it that
exhaustive list?
Could you please not speak out of turn?
uh, is this that ginormous tree and its height?
Which ginormous tree?
Giant sequoia or something.
No, not the sequoia.
Uh,
Going to Vinay.
Maybe Mount Everest.
Okay, so not just the green part, you have to take in reference all the entirety. The green part is just highlighted there, but you have to think about everything in total. So what exactly is this list?
It's the order of the peaks height-wise.
No, not order of the peaks height-wise. Mansi.
This is the sea level in Antarctica that is going down.
A very wild and good guess, so I'll give you a point, but not the right answer. Going to Neha.
I have no clue whatsoever. Pass.
Okay, with Swati again, we'll give a hint and make it a 5-pointer. Think of man-made constructions and try to build on that. So Swati.
height of the top 5 tallest building in the world, starting with Burj Khalifa.
Brilliant crack. I was just looking for top 5
Ah.
buildings. So
Nice.
Swati opens her account, Burj
Thank
Khalifa
you
being
so
the tallest
much.
building, and then Shanghai Towers, and so on. So now we go to Vinay for a direct. A marshy area on the west bank of the Tiber is a river, down to the Aventine Hill and up to the confluence of Cremera Creek. X is an independent city under the Lateran Treaty and under full ownership, exclusive dominion, and sovereign authority and jurisdiction of itself. With an area of only 121 acres or 49 hectares and a population of 825, it is the smallest state in the world by both area and population. Identify X.
Vatican City.
Brilliant crack. It is the Vatican City. So Vinay also opens up with 10 points. With this, now we have everyone with some points in their basket. The next question would be Mansi's direct.
Yeah.
Mansi, are you ready?
Yep.
The post-impressionist painter in June 1889 depicted the view from the east-facing window of his asylum room at Saint-Remy-de-Provence just before sunrise, with the addition of an imaginary village. It has been in the permanent collection of the Museum of Modern Art in New York City since 1941 and is regarded as one of the most significant pieces of modern art. What is the painting and who is the painter is the question.
I don't know. I'm going to take a stab again. It's the screen.
Not the Scream. The Scream is not in the Museum of Modern Art. Going to Neha.
This is the Starry Night by Van Gogh.
Brilliant answer. It is The Starry Night by Van Gogh. Neha gets another 10 points. We are off to a
Yeah,
great
peace.
start.
Starry night.
Neha OP in the chat.
Please,
The chat should be
please,
on the
Neha OP
spectator
in the
group.
chat.
The next
So
direct.
this is what we are talking about.
Ah, yes.
Oh, no.
Oh
yes, yes.
yeah,
Are you
that's
serious?
okay.
Please go
Going
ahead.
to Swati with the next question. X deals in bizarre events and items so strange and unusual that readers might question the claims. Originally a newspaper panel, X feature proved popular and was later adapted into a wide variety of formats, including a radio show, television show, comic books, a chain of museums, and even a book series. Founded in 1919, this franchise now has millions of features of bizarre facts and still keeps entertaining people in all the aforementioned formats. So everything that we mentioned, radio, television, comic, everything is still in operation, and the company works properly till now. So identify X.
Replace something. Ah, I hate my memory.
I'll give you a chance to take a second chance and improvise on that answer.
Man, I can just remember Ripley's right now, and the next three words are just. Man, just Ripley's something. I just cannot recall the next
No
few
problem.
words.
I'll give you part points for please. I'm looking for a specific answer, so going to Vinay.
Yeah.
Please believe it or not.
Brilliant answer. Please believe it or not is the right answer. So Swati gets 3 points for saying the word Ripley's. Vinay gets 7 points for telling me that. it's
I
believe it or
told you
not.
guys, I'm dumb. I
No,
told you.
you're not. You got it.
You're
You
not
just
dumb.
weren't
Yeah, you got it.
convinced.
Okay, so with Vinay cracking this question, we go next to Mansi with the next direct. So I want you to tell me what exactly is common in this list, and this list is non-exhaustive for a certain reason. I don't want the reason. I just want to tell me the link between this link. So we have Claude, Tommy Vercetti, Carl C.J. Johnson, Tony Cipriani, Victor Vance, Nico Bellic, Louis Lopez, Johnny Klevitz, Wang Lee, Michael DeSanta, Franklin Clinton, and Trevor Phillips.
They are siblings of really famous people.
Can you tell me the famous people that you are referring to?
I'm gonna go with their siblings of politicians.
Not siblings of politicians. I just wanted to see which track you were going on. Going to Neha.
I have no clue. I pass. Maybe it will come.
Okay, going to Swati.
Man, I'll still stick to Godfather and say like these are a few of the names in Godfather. I don't know.
No, not the names people in Godfather. Going to Vinay.
So is it like Tommy Vercetti is someone I know? Now I know what's in common is GTA, nostalgic.
Of course.
Okay, could you be a little more specific? I'm looking for something much more specific.
GTA characters, Vice City.
Okay,
NPC.
okay, I'll give it to you. So it is the list of the protagonists, the main characters from the GTA
Main
series. Why it was non-exhaustive is because in the first two GTA series or the first two games, there were multiple main characters to choose from. So that's why I could not add them up because there were a lot of them. Mansi gets another direct. In 1757 AD, the British established their control over Blank, and they started extracting as much as possible from the peasants through revenue contractors. When peasants' grievances were not redressed by the company officials, they took the law in their hands under the leadership of Dirji Narayan. They attacked the local kacharis and storehouses of crops of local agents and contractors and government officials. Now, both Hindu and Muslims fought side by side in this uprising, but the company's armed forces took control of the situation and suppressed the revolt. So based on that blank, I want you to tell me what exactly fits there, as specific as you can be.
East India Company.
So the British were the East India Company, so not the answer. Going to Neha.
Established. Okay.
So 1757, the only thing I know is Battle of Plassey. So I guess that must be it. I don't know. I'm going with Battle of Plassey.
Not Lassi. Going to Swati.
Okay, I just want to know one thing. This whole uprising thing also happened in 1757 or it was later?
It was eventual.
Can you just help me a bit with the time frame?
I can't because already two people have given the answers.
Okay, this is gonna sound really far-fetched, but please don't judge me, please. Bhima Koregaon?
Not Bhima Koregaon. Going to Vinay. Go on.
Is it Bahrampur, West Bengal?
Parampur is not in West Bengal, but I'll give it to you because it is Bengal. So the right answer was Rangpur in Bengal. So there was a division called Rangpur division where this entire thing happened. So I'll give you 7 points for this because your answer was not too apt because West Bengal came after partition. So Hindus and Muslim both fought side by side was also also a metaphor in the hint that I was going to give because East Bengal, West Bengal, they were all together. But I did not do it because Vinay cracked it. So Mansi, could you look up? It's your question now.
Yeah.
Identify this sporting venue. That's the question. I need the name of this particular stadium.
I want to just, probably wrong. Old Trafford.
Not Old Trafford, but a good guess. I mean, deriving that it's a football stadium. Going to Neha.
No idea. I'm a complete football noob. No idea whatsoever.
Okay. Swati.
I was going to say Old Trafford and now it's already not.
Exactly.
And
Same. That's the
I'm
only.
a perfect football noob. कुछ नहीं आता मेरे को, तो pass.
Okay. Vinay.
Is it like Menu Stadium?
I can't answer that. You need to tell me at least something from the stadium's name. Like, for example, Asia's biggest stadium is Narendra Modi Stadium. On that track.
St. John's?
Not St. John's. So now I'll give a hint and I will go on, start again with Mansi. This particular stadium is one of the biggest venues and the most popular venues from the Spanish league.
The Barcelona Stadium.
Not the Barcelona Stadium. So going to Neha.
The Madrid Stadium then.
What is it called?
Oh shit.
Stadium of Madrid.
syllabus के बाहर हो गया ये.
देखो, the only thing I knew about Spanish was La Liga.
La Liga, exactly. बार्सिलोना के बाद मैड्रिड, बस इसके आगे तो मुझे टीम्स भी नहीं पता. Real Madrid, Barcelona. I don't know.
To Swati.
देखो, आज हमें डिसोन कर दिया जाने वाला है, तो यार अभी मेरे को सिर्फ एल प्रोफेसर याद आ रहा है. पास प्लीज, बकवास नहीं करना मेरे को.
Going to Vinay.
So
Go
I would
Vinay.
call it another Modi Stadium with Ambani and Adani goalpost.
Goal
Nice
post.
one. Very nice.
Good one.
Me likes. Me
Not
likes.
the right answer though. So nobody gets this answer. The right answer was Santiago Bernabeu in Madrid. So for
हाँ,
Madrid,
हमने
I
आज
give,
तक नाम नहीं सुना है.
नहीं
for
मुझे तो
Madrid,
पता
I
था.
will give 3 points to Mansi.
And for
Now-
Modi presence.
Sorry, Neha. Neha
नेहा भाई
mentioned.
मैं सोच रही हूँ.
Sorry. So Neha
Wow.
gets 3
I
points.
danced
And
and all.
Madrid.
it's Swati's direct. 4 children from the same family have to leave their town because of the bombings of World War II. A woman and a professor take the children to their house. While playing a game of hide and seek, the youngest member of the family, Lucy, finds a wardrobe to hide in. She travels back and back into the wardrobe and finds a place named Blank. After
Stop.
going in twice, no, I need to read it for the audience. Could you please?
Please go ahead.
After going in twice, the 4 children go in together for the last time. They battle wolves, meet talking animals, encounter an evil white witch, and meet a magnificent lion named Aslan. Fill in the blank from the movie plot.
The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe, the Chronicles of Narnia.
क्या बात है.
TMI because the question says fill in the blank. But yeah, I'll give you 10
हाँ तो
points.
ठीक
It
है.
is just
Lion, Chronicles of Narnia रख ले. This
Just
was my
Narnia.
favorite lion. This was my favorite lion. Like,
With this, we
Agree.
come to an end to the first half. So Mansi is at 10 points. Neha is at 23. Swati at 18. And Vinay is currently at the lead with 34.
Nice.
Now
Oh,
our
Vinay!
sequence reverses. We start off with Vinay, followed by Swati, Neha, and Mansi. The next question will be for Vinay. Loosely translating to fried noodle in English, X is a dish popular. X is a dish popular throughout the Chinese diaspora and appears on the menus of most Chinese restaurants, even abroad. Originated from the Guangdong region, some speculate that this name was influenced by the Toishan or Taishan dialect spoken by the migrants of the region of the Guangdong region in North America. This dish has traveled across the world and created several variations based on geographical factors. So I want you to tell me what is X.
Is it chow mein?
Chow mein is correct. Brilliant crack. Chow mein, where chow means fried and mein means noodles. So great start to the second half by Vinay. And the next direct is for Swati. X is the first book of the Ketuvim, religious hymn book, the third section of the Tanakh, a Hebrew book, and a book of the Christian Old Testament of the Bible. The title is derived from the Greek translation for instrumental music, and by extension, the words accompanying the music, which basically means hymns. The books are divided into 5 sections, and each book has closed with one hymn. Identify this religious scripture X. Think of Hebrew books, Jewish books, and Christian books, and out of it, there are 5 sections given to this particular section, particular category. So it's just one word. If you say that particular word,
Psalm,
yes.
the book of Psalm.
Brilliant crack. The book of Psalms is the right answer. Great crack by Swati. So Swati also starts off in the second half, going to Neha now.
Thanks.
On 21st May 2017, the New York Times reported McFarland and his associates were under an active federal criminal investigation by the FBI for mail fraud, wire fraud, and securities fraud. The case was overseen by the U.S. Attorney for the Southern District of New York. On June 30th, 2017, McFarland was arrested and charged with 1 count of wire fraud. In March 18, McFarland pled guilty to 1 count of wire fraud in what the U.S. Justice Department called a scheme to defraud investors, as well as a 2nd count of wire fraud related to a scheme to defraud a ticket vendor. In October 2018, McFarland was sentenced to 6 years in prison and ordered to forfeit 26 million US dollars.
No idea. Pass.
Going to Mansi,
Is this the Lehman Brothers?
not the Lehman Brothers. Going to Vinay,
I've seen somewhere on, I remember something on Netflix. I think that was worth it. Is it some festival? Like, is it like
Yeah, you're the
fire festival?
Oh,
brilliant answer. It is the Fire Festival, one of the biggest scams by
yeah.
McFarland and Jarul. So Vinay gets another 10 points for this
Vinay's
brilliant answer.
killing it.
Vinay's on a roll.
So since it was Vinay's answer, the next question goes to Swati. Okay. Also known as the Men United, they were a confederacy of Germanic-speaking people who occupied the regions of south of the Main and east of the Rhine rivers in present-day Germany. Many historians claim that the X first entered the historical record in 2213 Common Era, when Cassius Dio records the campaigns of Caracalla and his duplicitous dealings with the X. It is true that the name X first appears by Cassius Dio, but if one accepts that the X and the Suebi or the Suevi who appear in earlier records were the same, as not many people do, this is a conflict of thoughts, then their first mention comes in 98 Common Era in Tacitus' Germania. If you remember, we've already had one question about Tacitus' Germania in the previous quiz. I want you to tell me what is X.
Is it a clan or something? Like,
It is a clan.
okay, Aryans.
Good guess, not the Aryans though. Going to Neha.
No idea. Pass.
Mansi.
Oh, no.
Lastly, Vinay.
Vikings, Angela Merkel.
No, not the Vikings. Now we'll go with another
the-
round.
Okay, I had two guesses.
So you can't make two guesses in one. So we'll go again with Swati and I'll be giving a hint. Now, the name Men United is an English translation of the main name. And think about, they were also called as All Men. So All Men and Men United later on came out as a derivative, but they had an original name which was a little Germanic in nature. So when you break it down, you get something in English, but the original name stays with the Germanic language. And it's a very close connection to Vikings as well, because their behavior and their pursuits were almost similar.
I want to say Hans, but they don't match at all.
Hans is pretty close to Germany, so pretty close
Let's
to
go
Germany,
with
not the
Hans.
answer.
Yeah, of course, not the answer, but
Yeah.
and it doesn't fit.
So
That's why.
from Swati, we go to Neha.
Cassius was in Julius Caesar, going by my ICSE 10th. That's all I can connect this with. Going by the time period also, I guess. I don't know. I've forgotten. But what is X if it's a group? The Senate. I don't know.
Is that your answer?
Cassius represented dealings with the X with the Senate. I guess, yeah, Senate.
Okay, not the Senate. Mansi,
I'd pass. I'm not sure.
Vinay.
Like, Lastly, any extra points for being similar to Vikings, which you said.
No, not exactly, because Vikings were a little more Nordic.
Goths, Goth tribe.
Uh, Good guess, but not the Goths. The right answer for this question is the Alemanni. So, being Swati's direct,
No
now
idea.
the
Brilliant.
look was something that was like the Vikings, but they had certain German traits and they were fighting for the land and not the sea. So, this was Swati's direct. So, the next question goes to Neha. Neha, are you ready?
I hope so.
I think this one would be relatively easier. X is an Irish mixed martial artist, MMA artist, boxer, and business person. He is a former Ultimate Fighting Championship in featherweight category and lightweight double champion. As of May 2021, May 17, 2021, he is fifth in the UFC lightweight rankings. He's a former Cage Warriors featherweight and lightweight champion as well. Identify X.
I knew this, but it's completely out there. I'm not going to get this. I'm passing. I'm not even going to give others a chance to guess, so I'm not even going to guess it.
Going
I
to
have no
going
idea.
to Mansi.
No idea. No idea.
Oh shit.
विनय अब कर
Okay.
लेगा मेरे को पता है.
Vinay.
और क्या?
The Irish gentleman, which we all know, the Conor McGregor.
Okay. So when you said rich gentleman, I thought you were going to say Dan Bilzerian, but Conor McGregor is correct.
ये
So-
जैसे वो
Vinay
विनय
is
के पास
taking
ये
it.
like,
जा
yeah,
रहा
I
है
was
ये
like,
विनय
ये
के
कर
हाथ
लेगा.
में है ये तो.
जो
I've been
आता है,
following
तो
UFC.
another
लेता है.
So yeah.
Another right answer and gave the direct to Swati.
Yo.
Chance to make up for this now.
Again, Owen Koifer published a series of fantasy novels from 2001 to 2012 and then started again in 2019, revolving around a family and their adventures. The first cycle of the novel, which was 2001 to 12, followed the antagonist. Sorry, followed the. It's a mistake. Followed the protagonist trying to catch the evil mastermind with the same name. Both and protagonist and the antagonist had the same name, with the help of an elf. The name of the elf was Holly Short. No brain cells working there. The second cycle brought two twins come out of the house arrest under another elf, Lazuli Heights. Again, no brainstorming with the names. What series are we talking about?
Movie and their adventure, two twins. And I don't know. Take
Okay,
it, Neha.
going to Neha.
Pass.
Only because I know the author, I have no idea about the plot either. So, and going by the timeline, I think this is Artemis Fowl. I think.
It is Artemis Fowl.
Ooh.
Thank God.
Neha bags her first 10 points in the
In
second
the
half.
second.
Now the next direct will be for Mansi. Okay, this is a fun one. Identify the novel, the original novel from which a movie was made and then this meme was adapted. So I want the name of the original novel, the first novel. Neha is not raising her head because she knows the answer.
Now we
I
know.
should continue doing this.
Oh God. No, I'm getting a
You
clue. I'm
hide.
going to answer something stupid. I just know the name. God, I feel exceptionally dumb. Is this Charlie and the Chocolate Factory?
Is that a final answer?
Yes.
Then you are getting 10 points.
Oh, thank God.
Oh,
I was like,
So
oh my
Charlie-
God, I think I know this. I think I know
Charlie
this.
and the Chocolate Factory was the first book, which was followed by Charlie and the Great Glass Elevator. So this particular meme was made out of Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory from 1979. So great crack, Mansi. Giving the direct to Vinay now. Now, Ray Tomlinson does not exactly know what it was, but he thinks it was most likely text 123 or the QWERTY UIOP. What event in history are we talking about? This person, Ray Tomlinson, it's been a while, so did not recall when interviewed that what exactly was that. But he said that it would have been most probably text 123 or QWERTY UIOP. I want you to tell me the name of the event.
So it was something to do with launch event kind of thing, right?
Yeah, it was something like that.
It's when the keyboard was launched, the event where
No, not when the keyboard was launched. Going to Swati.
But Tomlinson देख के ना अभी मेरे दिमाग में One Direction चल रहा है, तो just letting you know. But spacecraft launch or something.
Be more specific how text 123 or QWERTY YOP fits with spacecraft launch.
Like a launch code or I don't know.
Not a launch code.
Sorry,
Going
pass.
to Neha.
So Ray Tomlinson is the inventor of email. So going by this is probably the first email message. I don't know.
I will give it to you. This was the first email ever sent. So Neha is on a roll. And
You are
with
rolling
this-
now.
No, nowhere rolling close to Vinay anyway, so it's okay.
I wouldn't be that certain. Going to Mansi for her direct. Now, it is a British brand of predominantly four-wheel drive, off-road capable vehicles introduced in 1948. And the rumor has it that the logo of this brand is inspired by an oval tin of fish, which the designer Maurice Wilkes was eating for lunch on a particular day. The logo, though, represents the ability to get you out of the city and off the paved roads. I want you to tell me the name of this brand.
I am not sure that this is British. Is it? Hummer?
Not Hummer. Going to Vinay.
So is it Land Rover?
Brilliant answer. It is the Land Rover series. So
मैं बोल रही हूँ जो मुझे आता है वो
वही
मैं
तो।
लेके चला जाता है.
सच में.
ठीक है.
Last answer had me.
अब बस
okay.
दुख हो रहा है
So
मुझे.
with this, we come to the last two questions of this quiz. The first direct goes to Swati.
Yes.
Blank is the world's largest publisher of Hindu religious texts. It was founded in 1923 by Jayadayal Goenka and Ghanshyam Das Jalan for promoting the principles of Sanatan Dharma. It started publishing in 1927 with a circulation of 1,600 copies at that time, and at present, its print order has reached 253,000. This was from 2012. Now, the prints are available throughout the country, even panning to the rural zone. So anywhere you go, you will find the books, the texts of this particular publishing company. Fill in the blank. Tell me the name of the publisher.
Gita Book Press.
Is that the final answer?
Yeah, Gita Book Press or something.
Gita Press is the correct answer, and Swati also bags 10 points. Coming to the last question of today's quiz for Neha. Sugar is considered to be one of the most widely consumed commodity. This being said, it has a high global demand and all countries strive to meet it. Which is the country that reports the highest consumption of sugar being the only non-European country in the top 5 list.
I want to say India, going by how much, diabetes there is here and all of that.
Go for it. Do your best.
Okay, I'm going to say India, man. Although I think US could be it, but India.
Not India. Going to Neha.
Neha only said next.
Mansi
Sorry,
pe jao.
Neha say Mansi.
Yes, US. I'm gonna say US.
It is the USA.
Oh
So-
my
You gave the answer.
With-
That is my thing.
I was waiting.
So
Waiting to answer it.
Christ.
we'll just, I'll just make the tally and see if we require a tiebreaker. Mansi is with 30 points. You will know your your positions automatically. Swati is at 38.
Woo!
Neha is at 43. And today's winner is
What?
Vinay with
No, thank
74.
See, I
Whoa,
told you.
Okay,
nice.
Anand's record has been broken now.
Can you see
With
the
74
tension?
points.
Awesome! Congratulations. What is Neha
And-
giving us, flipping us off for?
Oh,
No
no,
one's keeping your tally.
And-
Can you, that's
and-
winners.
Just a second.
And
The fun participant goes to Mansi.
Oh, yay!
For not saying anything.
So
80 points to Mansi.
For Lusty Penis. Yes.
congratulations to Vinay and Mansi. It was a lovely
Yay.
quiz, and I
It really
hope
was.
you liked the quiz. You liked the questions that were asked.
yes.